All right, here's what we got today. Got this here Pete, and the hood hinges are blasted. So I went ahead and punched it out, made some bushings. This one was significantly more worn than that one. Made some bushings, and we'll make it so the hood actually sits and rides like it needs to. So yeah, thought about it after I was almost done with it. So we'll go ahead and get these done, get these pressed in, get this hood mounted back up, and then we'll mount the bumper up. So yeah, let's keep going. All right, there we go. Got them pressed in, and went ahead and reamed to final size and chamfered the hole. So let's get them bolted up. All right, got them all bolted up. New bushings, new bolts, looking all pretty. I made new hardware all up inside here that was rusted out on both sides. Now, one thing to keep in mind before you fully tighten those up, make sure and mind your gap. So this here is slotted, so it allows that hood to move forward and backwards. So you want to watch that gap and set your hood offset to where your gap is comfortable. You're comfortable here, everything's square and all happy, and then snug those up. Here's a little bit different view of that. I have the hood flipped forward, and you can see I made that. Instead of making that out of aluminum, I made it out of stainless this time because it captures the bolt head, and they were spinning inside that aluminum. It was just going thunk, 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 thunk. So I made these out of stainless. They're not going to rot out as fast. Made those, new bushings, rebushed, and all new hardware. So yeah, she's solid, good, and happy. So I would say done, but let's get a bumper on this too. Shiny. Man, bubble pop just isn't what it used to be. Anyway. Isn't it shiny? Anyway.